Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase technology adoption with Zendesk, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase technology adoption using Zendesk, start by assessing your organization's current technology usage. Identify the areas where staff may struggle with new technology. Gather feedback from employees on their experiences with existing tools. Create a clear communication plan that outlines the benefits of Zendesk. Set measurable goals for technology adoption within your organization. Establish a dedicated team responsible for managing the transition to Zendesk. Invest time in training sessions that cater to different learning styles. Utilize Zendesk's online resources and training materials for comprehensive education. Implement a pilot program with a small group before a full rollout. Gather user feedback during the pilot to identify areas for improvement. Make necessary adjustments based on pilot participant input. Communicate success stories during and after the pilot phase to build excitement. Prepare support resources, such as FAQs and troubleshooting guides, for employees. Encourage open communication through forums or regular check-ins. Monitor usage metrics to track adoption rates and identify challenges. Recognize and reward teams or individuals who effectively use Zendesk. Continuously seek feedback to improve the system and user experience. Establish a clear escalation path for technical issues that arise. Provide ongoing training and refresher courses as needed. Stay updated with Zendesk's latest features and updates to maximize effectiveness. Foster a tech-positive culture that embraces change and innovation. Encourage collaboration within teams to share best practices. Use analytics to measure the impact of Zendesk on overall productivity. Adapt your strategy based on analytics to drive continual improvement. Create a long-term strategy that supports sustained technology adoption. Engage leadership to advocate for technology adoption among staff. Regularly review the goals set for technology adoption and adjust as necessary. Ensure that the adoption strategy aligns with overall business objectives. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for